OwnerRez, from sign up to synced in 90 seconds. Want to get your vacation rentals in front of travelers who are searching for the perfect stay by the water? Well, today let's connect OwnerRez with Lake.com and unlock your next wave of bookings. OwnerRez, as you know, is the all-in-one vacation rental platform that helps owners and managers like you streamline operations, boost occupancy, and deliver top-tier guest experiences. Now, by connecting to Lake.com, you can showcase your properties to a targeted audience of families who are planning their next outdoor adventure. By searching Lake.com's travel guides that cover over 10,000 destinations, including 1,400 lakes and 4,000 national and state parks. Wouldn't you love to have your properties featured on those pages? Now, you can still manage all the inquiries and quotes and bookings, as well as your inbox, on OwnerRez, so nothing changes there. It's the place where you're familiar with and you're comfortable working. You'll still be using OwnerRez's channel management, automated messaging, and booking tools to save you time and reduce errors. When you get a booking from Lake.com, we'll make sure that the calendar is up to date, so there's never going to be double bookings or manual updates that you need to do. And you get paid after the first night's stay. So, sound good to you? Nice. Well, let's get into how to connect step by step. Step one is actually in OwnerRez. Make sure that Lake.com channel is active and that your properties are marked as included on the Properties tab. On step two, you're going to want to run the Listing Quality Analyzer. So you go to Tools, then Listing Quality Analyzer, just to ensure that there's no errors. Info or warning messages, those are okay, they're fine, but errors, they're going to need to be fixed before connecting. So if all's good, let's go to the next step. Step three, you're going to be logging into Lake.com. You can sign up for free if you don't have an account yet, but once you do, log in and you'll hover over that Me menu in the top corner. You can switch to the host view, so just make sure that that's toggled on. Next, in that same menu, you're going to want to scroll down to the Connections and click Connections. Then on the Connections page, you're going to find OwnerRez and just click Connect. Here, you're going to want to review the data that's going to be shared between the two sites. What information is going to be shared? Well, we're going to be sharing your property title, description, photos, amenities, all that's going to be shared onto Lake.com so we can showcase your properties. And then when you get a booking, the booking reservation information and the guest information is going to be passed back to OwnerRez. So if all looks good to you, just go ahead and click Approve and complete the connection. Now, the first sync happens pretty fast. Property listings typically appear on Lake.com within 30 seconds, but it can take up to an hour, especially if you have hundreds of properties. That's a lot of photos to import. After that initial sync, dynamic data like calendar availability and pricing is going to be updated every 5 minutes. This includes pricing rules or adjustments from OwnerRez, or if you're using a dynamic pricing tool like Beyond, Wheelhouse, Price Labs, those prices are also going to be updated and reflected in near real time. Now, the last step here is to verify the results by checking your Lake.com listings against your OwnerRez master calendar to ensure accuracy. And that's it. With OwnerRez and Lake.com, you're going to save hours of administrative tasks, no copy and pasting between the two systems. You're going to be getting more bookings by reaching guests who are exactly wanting what you have to offer, which is a stay by the water. Make your connection today, and then you get to focus on what really matters most, making those great guest experiences.